Efforts to locate Jasmine Dean are intensifying as stakeholders at the University of the West Indies Mona are raising funds to offer a cash reward for her return. The second-year student disappeared 9 days ago, once again highlighting safety concerns for university students. Giovanni Dennis has this primetime news follow-up.
It's just very heart-wrenching, that you see someone visually impaired, a student who is out here trying to contribute to her country, and you do something to harm her.
A frustrated Christina Williams, president of the UWI Mona Guild of Students. It's now 9 days since Jasmine Dean's disappearance, and stakeholders are intensifying efforts to find her. On Friday, over 100 UWI staff and students took to the streets of St. Andrew to distribute posters. Come Monday, a cash reward will be offered for any information leading to the return of Jasmine.
We recommend the university to raise money, so we already raised some amount of money already. We'll be releasing that amount on Monday, as well as the account number in which other persons outside alumni, just general public, could also contribute.
Jasmine's disappearance has also affected the mood on campus.
We're very tense. That's the truth. We're very tense. We're very concerned.
In the meantime, Director of Security at UWI Mona, Norman Haywood, says the police investigation is progressing.
Their cybercrime unit and their forensic team, they have taken a car, the taxi that the young lady was in, and it's undergoing certain forensic analysis.
He says the university continues to assist in other ways.
From a university perspective, we are coordinating with the family and with the JCF, and we'll be working with Crime Stop and other members of the public to ensure the safe return of Jasmine.
Persons with information can call Police 119 or the Mona Police at 876-927-2298. Jasmine was last seen around 9 o'clock Thursday evening wearing a white blouse and blue jeans. Jasmine is from Bull Bay, St. Thomas, and is believed to have been on her way home when she disappeared. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.